In this week's episode, sealing stuff up, getting crazy, blending hot sauce, dived into American history, and of course, as always, get some food. Fuck. Just want to give it a little bit of touch up to seal everything. It's also Flex Seal. It helps to seal stuff and get to parts I'm not able to get to. Okay, that needs another coat and then it's not too bad. Heading north the border with a noisy monster in my back. Drives me crazy. New barbecue for Andrea. So, how do you do this? We bought some peppers and some tomatoes. So I pick up some stones for the planters and I will plant some vegetables.
I think you need to mix it up a bit more.
It's mixed. I have a green thumb.
No.
Oh yes.
Definitely not. Are you going to watch that box when you're done? Because you're making a bit of a mess.
I'm not making a mess. Maybe.
Why aren't you using a little trowel? We have
It's our tools.
We have the tools.
It's our tool.
Oh boy, I was the gardener.
No, I'm the gardener. I'm the gardener.
I'm not so sure about that.
Okay, come here. Tomato. Oh my god, my French is bad. Tomato. Oh my god.
Stick with tomato.
Tomato.
How American.
How American. Red tomatoes.
I think they're Roma.
No, they don't say it's aroma.
That's what you were supposed to
They say it's vegetables.
Okay, so here's another mistake. You were supposed to buy Roma tomatoes.
I'm not did a mistake. Don't eat them, Esme. Don't eat them.
She yanked so hard. Oh my god. Sorry.
That's okay, I guess.
She just...
Okay, talk. That's a compartment for the propane, and it's of course also leaking and get filled up with water. So I try to seal this too. Try to get this also really nicely sealed up today, but I know also that there was always a problem, and I guess it's also the handle where the water goes in. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh my God, I hate this. I have no nails. Ah, come on, gotta get off. Here you go. Oh, come on. Hey, dog. Hey, come up. Hey, we are free now, huh? No mask required anymore.
Yeah.
Are you good? I mean, it's now 3 weeks so that I had my second shot, so we'll be fine, Doc. Happy Saturday. Sail is ready. Fixed the boom. Cleaned up a little bit. Boat is ready. I can't wait. Next weekend I go home, and after Memorial Day weekend we put it into the water. We'll be excited. It's my second night at Moonshine because Doug was here. I had a couple of them. I'm not driving anymore. We'll relax the rest of the day. Maybe read a book. Cheers. Okay, some history. Welcome to Fort Griswold, Battlefield State Park in Groton, Connecticut. One of the last battles of the American Revolution was fought here on September 6th, 1781. On that day, a British force of 800 soldiers overwhelmed the fort and massacred 88 of the 166 Connecticut stationed here. Wow. So let's go to the fort. Oh wow, that's a gun.
Fort Griswold is a former American defensive fortification in Groton, Connecticut, named after Deputy Governor Matthew Griswold. The fort played a key role in the early stages of the American Revolutionary War, in correspondence with Fort Trumbull on the opposite side of the Thames River. Griswold defended the port of New London, Connecticut, a supply centre for the Continental Army and friendly port for Connecticut-sanctioned privateers who attacked British ships. The 17-acre site is maintained as Fort Griswold Battlefield State Park by the Connecticut Department of Energy and Environmental Protection.
On this spot, Colonel William Ledyard fell by his own sword in the hands of a British officer to whom he had surrendered in the massacre of Fort Griswold, September 6th, 1781. Oh wow.
Construction of the fort was begun on December 5th, 1775, in response to the outbreak of the American Revolutionary War. It was completed in 1778 and was also called Groton Fort. It is located on a hill with the ability to bombard ships entering the Thames River. About 100 feet below the main fort is a battery for additional guns which was built during the Revolutionary War.
The death of Major William Montgomery while leading the British attack of the fort at this point. September 6th, 1781. I hope there are no ticks. It's like a jungle. My question is answered.
In September 1781, British troops under Benedict Arnold raided and burned New London. The British were well informed of the layout of Fort Griswold, and Arnold approached the river from such an angle that its guns could not engage his fleet. The British forces divided, some to burn New London, and the rest to attack the fort in the Battle of Groton Heights.
That's kind of cool. They was building a furnace to heat up cannonballs to lit up wooden vessels. Wow, that's cool. Kind of scary. So that was Fort Griswold. I really like the New England region. There's a lot of history out of the Revolutionary War, and I hope the COVID restrictions are now really lifting here, so I can have a lot of visits to historical sites. Can't wait to explore all the stuff. So let's wrap it up for this week. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Thanks to the over 3,000 subscribers now on YouTube. It's amazing. Thanks for your support. Thanks to my Patreon. Thanks for their support. You have a good week. See you around soon.
These are the first steps towards a new adventure, and you as a patron could be a part of this adventure from the beginning. Join us on the voyage of sailing vessel Moonshine. To support this adventure, please see the link in the description.
There she is.
Thanks for being an important part of this journey, and thank you for the support.